Hey there! Are you dreaming of starting your own business but worried about the initial investment? Well, what if I told you that you can start your business with zero investment? Sounds exciting, right? Let me introduce you to a fantastic scheme by the Government of India that can help you turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. It's called the CGTMSE scheme, and it's all about providing collateral-free loans to small businesses. Let's dive into the details. So, what is CGTMSE? It stands for Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. It's a scheme launched by the Government of India in partnership with SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, to support small businesses and startups. The best part? You don't need to pledge any collateral, no property, no assets, nothing. This means even if you don't have savings or assets to back your business, you can still get a loan. Here's how it works. Collateral-free loans, you don't need to provide any personal or business collateral to secure the loan. Loan amount, you can get a loan of up to 2 crore rupees depending on your business needs. Guarantee coverage, the scheme covers 75% to 85% of the loan amount, so the risk for lenders is reduced, making it easier for you to get approved. Now, who can apply for this scheme? If you're running a micro or small enterprise, whether it's in manufacturing, services, or even trade, you're eligible. Startups are also welcome. However, large enterprises or businesses that don't fall under the micro or small category can't apply. The loans can be used for working capital, day-to-day expenses, or term loans for long-term investments like machinery or equipment. So, how do you get started? Let me break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Prepare a business plan. First things first, you need a solid business plan. This is like a roadmap for your business. It should include details like what your business does, who your customers are, how you'll make money, and how you'll repay the loan. Make sure it's clear, realistic, and shows the potential of your business. Step 2. Find a participating bank or lender. Next, you need to approach a bank or financial institution that's part of the CGTMSE network. Most scheduled commercial banks and NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, are part of this scheme. Just walk into your nearest bank and ask if they offer loans under CGTMSE. Step 3. Submit your loan application. Once you've identified the lender, fill out their loan application form. You'll need to attach some documents like your business plan, identity proof like Aadhaar or PAN card, address proof, KYC documents, a project report if required, bank statements or financial statements if you already have a business. Step 4. Bank assessment. The bank will review your application and assess your creditworthiness. They'll check if your business idea is viable and if you can repay the loan. Remember, no collateral is needed, but they might ask for a personal guarantee. Step 5. CGTMSE registration. Once the bank is satisfied with your application, they'll register your loan with CGTMSE. A small guarantee fee, around 1% to 1.5% of the loan amount, will be charged, which is usually paid by the bank or borrower. Step 6. Loan approval and disbursement. If everything goes well, your loan will be approved and the amount will be disbursed directly to your account. And just like that, you're ready to start or grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? If you've got a great business idea but no funds to start, the CGTMSE scheme is here to help. It's a golden opportunity to take that first step toward becoming your own boss. Remember, every big business started small. With the right plan and a little support, you can do it too. So, go ahead, explore this scheme, and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.